Russ.
Russ? Is his name really Russ?
Yeah.
He's like, Tom. Alright, Russ, nobody make a wish for me? Alright, now I need you to come stand up here with me for a second, Russ. Just be very low key and alright. Excuse me, ladies and gentlemen, in the restaurant. I apologize for interrupting your meal right now. This is my friend Russ, and today he's turning 21. So I need you guys to help me out and wish him a happy birthday year on the count of 3, guys. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday! Awesome, guys. Here at Johnny Reds Loves Good Away, good luck. Like all things in life, nothing comes free. So to get a taste of this good luck, he has to get Betsy or Good Luck Pig. Gets the snout, he gets 1 year of good luck. Or he gets the rump, and he gets 2 years of good luck. But he doesn't get to decide, because I remember being 21, and all you do is make bad choices. So you guys are gonna pick for him. Does he need 1 year of good luck or 2 years of good luck? Yeah. All right, Russ, they have spoken. They're looking out for you. There you go. There you go. Awesome, awesome. We got one more surprise. My friend Russ is also an amazing chicken dancer, and he told me he must put on a show for you guys. He's gonna flap his arms like a chicken and stomp on these peanuts here, and we're gonna sing him a little song. But I need you guys to help me out. And as you bang on your tables, give him some encouragement and drown us out, because they're all horrible singers and they'll ruin your entire evening. So to count for as much noise as possible. That's my man. He's already getting ready. I need you guys to make as much noise as possible. I need you to get your dance on, Russ. Count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.